in my house, I had a twins, and both are boys. Now, very recently, 1 year, 1.5 year back, baby girl came. What happened is, these two kids, younger kid, elder kid is there, younger kid, asked the elder kid, Are, can you please help me to wear dryer? Okay, dryer, nicker. Are, no, na gana nicker is 1 rupee nikistan ran. Really, really, I felt very happy by listening that statement. I felt very happy by listening that statement. Okay, mother pat man kottaboyindi gani. Okay, mother trying to give left and right to the younger kid, but I felt a bit happy. His mindset, "Arey, 1 rupee I will give for which work? For which work? Yeed necker vadeyali." Age of 7 years or 8 years. Just yesterday night, I hope. Not yesterday, day before yesterday night. My wife told some work, to my younger kid. My younger kid told, Arey, Naushu means elder kid. Arey, Naushu, can you please do that? Like, then my wife trying to give left and right. Okay, why you are always looking for others to delegate? I told to you to do the work. Why you are looking for others? Like, then today I told the same story. Delegation only in our session, like. Delegation only in our session, like, yeah. If there is any chance to delegate, highly recommended to delegate each and every activity, man. Don't worry, don't hesitate to delegate. Always have the free time. Utilize that free time on higher goals. That is the secret. Delegation is the shortcut for exponential growth. Delegation is the shortcut for your success. Delegation is the shortcut for peace of mind. Delegation is the shortcut for your richness, for your financial freedom. Don't miss that delegation. I told right from this total series, by attending 30 days, sir, one point I want to learn. This point is enough. That much valuable point it is. Getting the point right? Getting the yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand? Delegation.